Hi, I'm Crystal with Moonkin Stitchery, and in today's video I'll show you how to make my zero waste weathered whimsy quilt pattern. The size I'll be creating is a throw size quilt measuring at 64 inches by 64 inches using Mindscape by Katerina Roxella for Art Gallery Fabrics. This pattern is available as a free PDF and the link will be down below in the video's description. Now let's get started. You will need 16 fat quarters, with each fat quarter subcut one 8.5 inch by 16.5 inch rectangle and four 2.5 inch by 18 inch rectangles. Please be careful as you will need the full width of a fat quarter, which is 18 inches long. There is no room for error and you'll have only this one 2.5 inch strip left, which you can use for a scrappy binding to make it a 100% zero waste pattern. And to create a quilt block, select two mixed prints, 2.5 inch by 18 inch rectangles, and you'll need two of each print. You'll alternate between each print and sew them together on the longest side, leaving you with a 8.5 inch by 18 inch rectangle. With that rectangle, you will then subcut 4.5 inch by 8.5 inch rectangle units. With those, you'll then form a checkerboard-like layout and sew them together, leaving you with a 8.5 inch by 16.5 inch rectangle. Lastly, take a different print, 8.5 inch by 16.5 inch rectangle, and sew it to the left side, leaving you with a 16.5 inch jumbo size square quilt block. Super simple and perfect for those large prints, or you can have fun custom quilting in those rectangles. And all you have to do is repeat these steps until you have a total of 16 quilt blocks. With the quilt blocks, you will lay them out in a 4x4 layout. Place the checkerboard on the right side for the odd rows and the checkerboard on the left side for the even rows. Sew the blocks together into rows, and lastly, sew the rows together to complete your quilt top. And here is what my quilt top looks like all finished. For the backing, I am using a coordinating print within the collection. And for the thread choice, I selected Clyde threads in the color Seagull, which is a bluish gray tone. And here is a close-up of my quilt all quilted out. For my longarm quilters, the pattern I used is called Sea Greens. It gives off a new twist on a meander style quilting, and I will link that down below in the video's description as well. Now don't forget, a free PDF pattern with 5 quilt sizes is available down below in the video's description. I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.